Hi friends, welcome back in channel Guru. In this video I'm going to talk about when the Realme GT Neo 2 is going to get launched in India. And this is another most requested question for the past few days. I'm getting from plenty of users asking me to exactly mention when the release date will be coming. So right now I'll try to show you exactly when we can actually expect the Realme GT Neo 2 to be released in India. That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. So just yesterday friends, the mother did post in the Twitter as well regarding voting for the Realme GT Neo 2. So when we want the Realme GT Neo 2 in India, and they give the options like early October, end of the October, November and December. But most of the people, I think 83% of the voting, they did mention the early October. So there are chances that the phone may get launched in the early of the October. That's what I'm guessing on the Realme GT Neo 2 at this moment. So hopefully if the phone get launched in the early of the October, that will be another advantage, because during that time we'll be having the big billion day sale as well. So maybe they may get the I think bank offer discounts on the Realme GT Neo 2, because it starts from 7th to 12th of October during the big billion day sale. If the phone get released, I mean before 7th, and if they keep the sale date in between these kind of dates, maybe we may use the bank discount cards to get additional discount. That's what I'm expecting on this Realme GT Neo 2 can happen. So even I'm really excited friends to test this kind of Realme GT Neo 2, and let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts. And meanwhile, try to follow the playlist which I created for the Realme GT Neo 2. There you can actually get all the information necessary for this kind of Realme GT Neo 2 as well. All the playlists, as you can see. So I did create the playlist, so which might be useful for you to figure out whether you should buy this phone or wait for this phone, or should you buy another phone. That's what my main purpose of making this playlist. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and overall maybe we can expect in the early of the October. That's what the conclusion is, maybe. So maybe between 1st and 2nd week of October. So very soon we're going to see the Realme GT Neo 2 in India finally. And that's it friends, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.